front camera was purchased with the intention of increasing your hybrid learning teaching abilities. This has the potential to release you from the Chromebook in order to increase student interactivity. We hope that this will improve the remote learning experience for students who are logging into your classroom. This camera adds a few key features that are missing when you're using just your Chromebook.
The Poly has a much wider angle lens, so you're able to capture a much larger part of your classroom. It has enhanced microphone and speaker abilities that gives you the freedom to step away from your Chromebook and move around to different parts of your classroom. Finally, it has advanced features that allow it to follow you within the classroom. These cameras are available for checkout in your school media center if it will suit your teaching style or a specific lesson you have in mind. You'll notice the large camera in the center, and there are 6 microphones on the top. There are 2 speakers, one on each side. If you turn the camera bar around, you'll find the plugs. Plug in the power cable in the middle of the bar on the right side. The USB cable is on the left side on the top. Plug the power cable into a wall outlet and plug the USB cable into your Chromebook. You'll have one cable coming out of your Chromebook and into the camera, and the power cable plugged into the wall. Once the camera is powered on, you'll see lights on the top of the Poly camera. Now let's take a look at the features of the remote. Here you can adjust the volume and it will prompt a sound from your Poly. You can also zoom in and out using these buttons. Using the remote, you can also mute or unmute your audio. This will prompt a sound and a red line on your Poly. Pressing the frame button will turn off the tracking mode and enable group framing, where you can adjust the camera direction. Pressing and holding one of the preset options will save and hold that camera setting. Finally, pressing the center button will return the camera to its original status.
Right now I'm using the Chromebook camera. Now let's switch to the Poly camera so you can see the difference. Depending on the video conference platform you use, you will need to switch the camera from your front-facing camera on your Chromebook to the Poly camera. This will also need to be done for your audio settings.
So in Zoom, you'll click the caret next to the mic and choose Polycom, and you'll choose the caret next to the video and choose Polycom there. For Meets, you'll go to the 3 dots and choose Settings, and for audio, you'll select Polycom for the speaker, and for your video, instead of front camera, you will choose Polycom. Finally, for Big Blue Button, you'll choose the video icon and then switch front camera to Polycom. The audio settings are set by default.
Right away, you can see that it has a much larger screen. You might also notice that it starts to move based on where I am in the room. It follows my audio and my face as I move across the room. It even works well when wearing a mask. It will track your audio and your face while you move across the room.
Every classroom is different and every teacher's teaching style is unique. We want to make sure that we brought in technology that fits your teaching style rather than forcing you to change to fit the technology. With this in mind, we want you to feel comfortable moving the camera to a place that works best for you. We purposely chose a camera that can be moved so this technology can adapt to changes in teaching settings. Every classroom is different, and we recommend trying the camera out to find the best scenario of your teaching style and location when you're using the camera in a classroom.